gentlemen, today we are here with Good Choices, Good Choice at First Blood with
Brett.
Hi, Brett. What do you drive?
1985 Corolla GTS.
All right, and what motor do you have inside the car?
It's got a AE92 Levin for a GZE, so the supercharged version. Small port head. Actually stock boost. Standard gearbox. Standard rear end.
Nice. And how much power do you say you're making?
I think it's supposed to be like 160 flywheel, so maybe 140-ish.
Good enough to get you around the track?
Yeah, it works really good. I can do third, no problem. Probably if I had the space, it would keep fourth going. It works. Yeah.
What do you have done to the exterior of the car?
Pretty simple. There's really not too much. It's just like a J-Blood rep front bumper. It's actually a fiberglass rear bumper, but it looks like the standard like Koki JDM bumper. Paint, East Bear mirrors, and that's pretty much it. I mean, except the obvious, the Watanabes and works.
And suspension-wise, what do you have done to the car?
They are just pretty run-of-the-mill BC coilovers. It's got a manual steering rack with power steering knuckles, so they're shorter than what would be on the manual. So effectively, you get more lock from it, and that's pretty much it. It's got roll center adjustment, FD brakes, or FD calipers, and that's pretty much it.
So let's say if you were to name your favorite mod done to the car, or just part of the car, what would you say it is?
Probably the interior. I like what I did with it. I'm pretty happy with what I did with the interior. The only thing I changed is maybe putting cage in it.
What do you have done to the interior?
So it's gutted. It's painted nice and smooth.
Okay.
Standard dashboard. Couple of discontinued HKS seats, bride seats, harness bar, some Levans harnesses, 360 Nardi, pretty much it. Some Expert OZ left-hand drive special floor mats, and other than that.
But, sir, might I say you created a very, very beautiful car.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
We appreciate having you on Good Choices, Good Choice.
Oh yeah.
Of choices. Thank you. Come again.
Alright, as you can see, I am starting to try to do some new clips, some like car checks and stuff. And obviously the podcasts are going to be more frequent. Actually, the car clips could be more frequent. I just have to do a lot more, go to a lot more events, and probably not drive because it takes up a lot of time. So stay tuned, and if you like it, I'm trying to do like an older style car check kind of video. So if you like it, subscribe, share it, leave a comment if you feel like it, tell me what I can do better, and enjoy.